Hello, it is very early in the morning and I am very tired. I wanted to do a really quick YouTube before the Arvinus call in 30 minutes. Clearly, the market is not liking the news that Pfizer and Arvinus have scrapped the two phase 3 trials that they were supposed to launch towards the end of this year. Uh, that's the obviously the big negative. The positive is that they are planning on filing an IND for Vepdeg for monotherapy. The market doesn't know what to think of that because I think a lot of people think that the drug is a Me Too in a very crowded field, and Arvinus has to fund the commercial rollout of that in the United States and have a 50-50 cost split with Pfizer if they do that. I'm very confused by that, given their cash runway now is to the second half of 2028. And if they are going to have to launch this and roll this out, that would be a gigantic cash burn for them. And I'm pretty sure the market thinks that as well. My guess is what we're going to see at ASCO in a month is the following. We're going to find out that in Mutant, they have the best in class drug with greater than 3 months PFS versus standard of care. And we're going to find out in wild type, the HR was terrible. And as a result of that HR being terrible in wild type, which is the reason why they didn't hit the intent to treat population, the ITT, as they call it, uh, uh, that they don't want to go forward in combo trials because wild type was worse than standard of care. My belief is that this is not the end of the story. I think they will sell the drug to Pfizer and Pfizer will commercialize it. What that means for the stock, it's a 770 stock with $12.30 in cash. The other assets have value. The Novartis partnership has tremendous value. And we haven't seen the ASCO data yet. So I don't know what the stock's going to do today. It obviously keeps going down. I won't be selling my stock. I think that is kind of probably your big negative. That's if it was going to happen, it just happened, which is that they're not going to go forward with the combo trials. Your biggest risk going forward now is that Pfizer announces that they are going to drop the drug, and Arvinus says they're going to commercialize it on their own. I put the odds of that at near zero, but that's what the market has always been afraid of here. So let's see the call. I'll do another one of these YouTubes after the call's over. I assume on the call they're going to say that they're commercializing it because they haven't restructured anything with Pfizer yet. But maybe they'll say on the call that they're working with Pfizer about a new commercialization plan as well. Obviously, not happy about the stock being down 20%. Let's see where it shakes out. All right, that's all for now.